Visible Body offers all the 3D interactive learning content you need to teach the pathophysiology of strokes. In this video, we'll show you the 3D models and interactive lessons you can use to help students understand this important topic. For a general circulatory system overview, have students use the Anatomy and Physiology section of Visible Body Suite and work through the bite-sized, step-by-step lessons in the circulatory system unit. For a closer look, the interactive beating heart with adjustable BPM and an ECG readout shows students how electrical impulses move through the heart and how blood flows through its chambers. Once students have mastered the basics, they can move on to learning about the two different kinds of strokes. 87% of strokes are ischemic strokes, in which proper blood flow to the brain is blocked. With the Circle of Willis pre-made view, students can investigate the arteries that supply the brain. You can use this view as part of a lecture presentation or let students explore on their own. The Systems tray lets you add and remove body systems all at once or layer by layer to provide anatomical context, and you or your students can use the Draw tool to illustrate the presence of a stroke-causing clot. Where do stroke-causing blood clots come from? Atherosclerosis, a condition in which plaques form beneath the endothelium of artery walls, is a major cause of ischemic strokes. Students can examine the progression of atherosclerosis with our 3D lesson and microanatomy model, from fatty streaks all the way to the formation of a thrombus. Now let's move on to hemorrhagic strokes. Hemorrhagic stroke involves bleeding either within the brain or in the subarachnoid space between the arachnoid and pia mater, which are layers of the meninges. The cerebrum and meninges cross-section clearly shows these layers, allowing students to visualize where hemorrhagic strokes can occur. The tag and draw features are useful for illustrating these different locations. Want to assign this content so you can track students' progress and check their knowledge with auto-grading quizzes? Visible Body courseware makes all that easy to do with our many pre-made courses, drag-and-drop assignment creation tool, and gradebook. To learn more about courseware, visit visiblebody.com/courseware.